This is the brief on troubleshooting your ClearTouch setup. We all know technical glitches with a ClearTouch panel or PC module are a massive headache. But this step-by-step guide offers the exact magic fixes you need before calling in the IT cavalry. First, start with basic self-service fixes. Check for known bugs, reload the firmware to clear out any ghost bugs, and re-image the PC module for a total factory reset of the OS. And hey, physically clean those black sensors around the screen's bezel. Think of it like basic hygiene. Wiping the dust off is literally like cleaning your glasses so the panel can actually see your touch, while re-imaging clears out the digital cobwebs. Second, let's unlock the secret debug menu. If you're seeing strange colors or condensation, you've got to access the Android Technicians menu. Just press Input, then the code 1379. Select I&I Touch Panel for color issues or Burn Mode to clear out moisture. Seriously, why are these crucial fixes hidden behind a literal video game cheat code just to get rid of screen condensation? Finally, if all else fails, it's time to escalate. Submit a support ticket, call direct support at 864-643-5045, or request the IIQ escalation process for critical issues, which guarantees a 48-hour turnaround. Remember, IIQ is basically your magic password to fast-track those severe issues. So, start with basic sensor cleaning and firmware reloads. Punch in the secret 1379 debug code for screen issues, and don't hesitate to use the IIQ escalation for a 48-hour fix. Go punch in that cheat code and reclaim your workflow.